All right, so we got another SAT math problem. This one says the dot plots represent the distributions of values in dataset A and B. Which of the following statements must be true? So clause 1 says the median of dataset A is equal to the median of dataset B. And that's true because both distributions here you can see are symmetrical. If I were to draw a line down the middle, you have an equal number of points here and equal number of points on both sides, right? And so if you order the points from least to greatest and then you converge in the middle, you can see like on the ends, the 10 and the 16 cancel out, all the 11s and the 15s cancel out. You're always left in the middle with a value of 13. So let me just erase all that. So we know that the first clause here is true. So it can't be B and cannot be D. Let's see if the second clause is true. So it says the standard deviation of dataset A is equal to the standard deviation of dataset B. So here's the thing with symmetrical distributions, right? So when you got a symmetrical distribution, and you can calculate this if you don't remember this on the exam or something, is that when you have a symmetrical distribution, the mean and the median are the same, all right? They're equal. And so you can kind of see this in the points. So you got a value of 10 and 16. Because it's symmetrical, they should theoretically not cancel out, right? But you're going to get a mean of 13, right? 16 plus 10, what is that? 26. 26 divided by 2 is 13. We have 4 points in the 11 section and 4 points in the 15 section. If we were to zoom in on one of those pairs, you got 11 and 15. That's also 26 divided by 2 is 13. You can see how here all the points in the pairs come back to the mean of 13. We know the median is 13 and the mean also is 13 for these symmetrical distributions. Now, going back to standard deviation. Standard deviation is the measure of spread in a data. So the farther away a point is from the center, you know that it is going to have a greater standard deviation. And so because even though they're both symmetrical, right, dataset A and dataset B looks different, right? It has like more points at 15, or has the same number of points at 15 and 11, but only has 1 point at 13. Whereas dataset A has a more condensed standard deviation here because of all those points at 13, and so their standard deviations cannot be the same, and therefore the correct answer here is going to be A1 only. Make sure you check out our other SAT prep videos, and I'll see you in the next one.